Good evening, folks. Hope you're fine. We are going into a new week starting 3rd of February to 7th of Feb 2025. Let's see what we are having on the fundamentals and technical grounds. The great news is 2800 is achieved, our long awaited milestone. We were expecting 2800 levels to happen. Market did exactly the same. It was a tremendous week. We made 780 pips of the profits in the previous week. It was a clean sweep and it was a tremendous trade. Now, if you see the market fundamentally, on Mondays we'll be having Chinese New Year holiday, and in the evening we'll be having S&P Global Manufacturing PMI, and then we have ISM Manufacturing PMI in the US market. And then on Tuesday we'll be having job openings. On Wednesday, ADP, non-farm employment change. This may bring some volatility. On Thursday we'll be having initial jobless claims, and on Friday we'll be having NFP, the father of all fundamental events. This will bring volatility. Volatility means opportunity, and you must make some great profits on NFP. Now, if you see the market on the candlesticks, this has happened in the market. 2814, our expected area, is achieved, and we were expecting the market to visit 2814 area. It's a fib level. And interestingly, if you see the market, this is the area of support. 2790. This is the pivot point for the next week. If the market holds above this level, then the market gonna see again 2814. If it penetrates, it's gonna much higher towards the next fib level, that is 2956. But inversely, if the market penetrates this level 2790, then the bulls, they must get alert, because the bears will take control below 2790. We are holding our positions right now. We are still holding our positions from this level. This is the area where we bought the market, 2760. This was the area where we bought the market, and right now we are still holding our buying positions from 2760 with multiple take profits booked in between. So on Monday, the next week, you need to watch this area. If the market hold above this level, we're gonna see 2814. A penetration will send the market towards 2895, and if the market holds below this level, then bulls, they will get weak, and the bears, they will take the charge. So this is how we are looking at the market. Let's see what trading opportunities we get and how we're gonna capitalize on our profits for the next week. You don't need to complicate yourself. Watch this area 2790 for next week. So let's see what trading opportunities we get and how we're gonna capitalize on our profits. Stay managed and disciplined, and good luck with your trades. Bye.